कौन है ये? कौन है? Hi guys, welcome to another vlog, and this is not a mic, this is a phone. So I'm recording the audio on this phone because my phone on which this video is recording is miles away, so audio अच्छा नहीं आएगा. So I'm recording audio on this phone. This is my old phone which Ishan uses now. Ishan is sitting here, you cannot see him. So Ishan uses this phone for playing games and watching videos, so I'm recording audio on this phone. So now the thing is, when I was editing the vlog, I noticed that there is no continuity in the whole storytelling. So I have to make this vlog in a different kind of way. That's why I'm recording like this way. So today is Thursday, 12th of November, and I started this vlog on Friday, 6th of November. So it's been that long I have not uploaded the vlog. So now let's finally start the vlog, and before starting the vlog please like this video because ये vlog में बहुत मेहनत लगने वाली है. इस ऑडियो को उस वीडियो से सिंक्रोनाइज करने में ट्रस्ट मी बहुत मेहनत लगने वाली है. सो पहले ही like this video. Now in this type of vlog what usually happens is at one point of time you will be here with me and suddenly you will go in the vlog. So be ready for that kind of switch where you will be here and then suddenly you will be in the vlog and then suddenly you will be back here. So be ready for that kind of thing. So now the thing was, it was Friday and on Fridays I'm full of energy because Saturday Sunday छुट्टी होता है. So no matter what happens on Friday I definitely just go out, like go out, घर से बाहर जाता हूँ, कहीं घूमने नहीं जाता. So we building friends had a plan to play Catan. It's a board game, and finally in this vlog I've shown almost everything of that game. तो आगे आगे देखो, you'll get to know what it is. And also it's one of my friend's birthday. Actually his birthday is not today, his birthday is on 9th November, but we are going to celebrate it today because afterwards he will be busy, like he will not be in town, so we will cut the cake today.
ये सस्ते लोग का प्रॉब्लम ही है.
So watch that clip again.
ये सस्ते लोग का प्रॉब्लम ही है.
I was supposed to wish him happy birthday जब मैंने ऐसे केक खिलाया, but I did not and he was like thanks bye. So that was the board game Catan which we always play. It usually takes 45 minutes or 1 hour to complete one game, or sometimes more than 1 hour depending upon how many players are playing. So you have to get 10 points to win the game. There are a lot of rules. I'm not saying all the rules now, you can google it. Now coming to the next day, which was Saturday 7th of November, I had to go to my college to get my final semester mark sheet and एक degree का certificate होता है. I had to go and get that. I'm taking my bike to my college for the second time. The first time I took it was when I just bought my bike, like it was almost 1 month and I took my bike to the college. So this is the second time I'm taking my bike to the college. So this happens when you wear this helmet for a long time, and also this red. You cannot see, camera is not doing the justice, but पूरा हाथ red हो गया है. This one also नहीं दिख रहा है. So I've parked my bike over there in this lane, and obviously you cannot park any vehicle on the main road, tow हो जाता है. So we have to park the bike over here, and now I'm walking towards my college. So So I just reached in my building. I reached college around 11:50, and at 2:30 I left my college, and I'm here at 3:45. So now I'll go home and I'll have my lunch. I'm very hungry. And सिर्फ एक मार्कशीट और एक सर्टिफिकेट देने के लिए 2.5 घंटा लगा दिया कॉलेज वालों ने. As I said, I was very hungry. I came, I ate, and then I slept for some time. And now I'm going down to meet my friends. Saturday है, so most of my friends are free on weekends. So अभी I'm going and meeting them. अगर उन लोग का मन हुआ तो they'll come in the vlog. Otherwise they won't. तो please
नहीं,
लोगों को तेरे को vlog में देखना है.
लोग किसी को मेरे को इधर भी नहीं देख.
अब आवाज से किसने गेस कर लिया ना तो ठीक है.
नहीं
तो शक्ल दिखाता हूँ मैं. दिखाऊं. हैं? कौन है ये? कौन है? हाय. ये किसने दिया चश्मा?
अरे वो उसके अंकल के पापा ने.
ओ, रिटर्न गिफ्ट मिला. ऐसे बोलो ना. ईशान बर्थडे में गया था, ईशान को रिटर्न गिफ्ट मिला. अब वापस अंधेरा. हाँ?
एक मिनट बंद कर. वो देख.
तो फॉर मी संडे इज लाइक अ क्रिकेट डे. आज सुबह भी ईशान के साथ खेलने का प्लान था, बट ही वॉज बिजी विथ हिज फ्रेंड्स तो खेल नहीं पाए. एंड नाउ आई हैव कम डाउन टू प्ले विथ माई बिल्डिंग फ्रेंड्स. वी प्ले क्रिकेट एवरी संडे. मैंने एक व्लॉग भी डाला था. आई गेस इट वॉज अ 3rd or 4th व्लॉग. यू कैन चेक दैट आउट. सो वी विल प्ले क्रिकेट नाउ. So in the last clip you saw that I was down. We also started playing, but जितने लोग usually आते हैं every Sunday, they did not turn up. So there were not enough people, so we could not play. Only hardly we played for like almost 45 minutes or 1 hour, 2 matches hardly, and then it was very boring because थे ही नहीं लोग. So we came up and now I am thinking कि मेरा पूरा Sunday boring जाने वाला है क्योंकि मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं. So now I am thinking कि I should go down in the evening कि at least कुछ तो कर लूँ Sunday को, नहीं तो पूरा Sunday boring निकल जाएगा. I am yet again in the kitchen making tea. इस बार नहीं दिखाऊंगा मैं vlog में. Otherwise this channel will not be a vlogging channel. It will turn out to be a cooking channel. And उसी बात से मुझे याद आया, my small cousin sister also has a cooking channel. Her channel name is Just Beat It. Link will be in the description. If you want to check out, you can check out. कुकिंग के सारे रेसिपी एंड ऑल वीडियोस बनाती है वो. एंड नाउ सैटरडे संडे तो कैसे भी निकल जाता है. संडे वॉज काइंड ऑफ बोरिंग बट ठीक है. एंड नाउ मंडे इट्स मॉर्निंग टाइम एंड आई गो फॉर माई मॉर्निंग वॉक. So as usual I've come to this beautiful place for my morning walk. Friday I slept, Saturday Sunday छुट्टी होती तो I didn't come. So 3 दिन आ नहीं पाया. So today is Monday, I came finally. Now hopefully I'm gonna come this whole week, Monday to Friday. Saturday Sunday छुट्टी होती I won't come. तो let's see, थोड़ा consistent होना पड़ेगा. So after coming from my morning walk, I have my work जो मैं इधर करता हूँ. So I work and after my work gets over, I'm tired. So मैं कहीं जाता नहीं. So Monday तो ऐसे ही पूरा निकल जाता है. And Tuesday was IPL का final. So Tuesday पूरा दिन I didn't vlog. So now comes Wednesday where again मैं morning walk पे जाता हूँ और मैं वापस same जगह पे vlog करता हूँ. तो go and see that. You guys might be thinking that I'm still at the same place. Well, it's the same place, but it's not the same day. That was Monday. Today is Wednesday. Kal pura din I didn't vlog. I was working and then it was IPL finals. And if you're an IPL fan, you already know who won the finals. Obviously, Mumbai Indians हमेशा जीत जाती है. 5 times IPL champions. So I was watching the match yesterday. Good news for Mumbai fans that Mumbai जीत गया IPL and bad news for IPL fans that IPL ख़त्म हो गया. अब we have to wait for next April. Hopefully तभी IPL होगा इंडिया में. Now that this vlog is almost over, 8.5 minutes हो गया है. I'm thinking कि इस vlog का मैं title क्या रखूँ and seriously I have no clue मैं क्या title रखने वाला हूँ. Probably now when I go home I'll edit the whole vlog and then I'll think कि title क्या रखूँ. I don't think so इस vlog में कुछ खास था. So if you did not like this vlog, wait for the next or the next to next video. It will not be a vlog, it will be something else. अगर बीच में दिवाली vlog आया तो ठीक है, otherwise directly I'll upload that video. वो क्या video रहेगा you can keep guessing, I won't tell. For now I'm done with my walk, I'm going home. So guys, that's the end of this vlog. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.